In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Ionos email password in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're doing this as a routine security measure or because you suspect your account's security has been compromised, changing your email password regularly is always a good practice. So let's get right into it. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Ionos website. You can do this easily by typing www.ionos.co.uk into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sign-in option typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page, which is our first real step in the process. Upon reaching the login page, you'll be prompted to select the type of account you're trying to access. Since we're focusing on email, you'll want to click on the customer account option. This decision tailors the next steps specifically to handling email and account settings, ensuring you're in the right place for changing your password. And following that, you're going to be asked to provide your email address. This is so Ionos can identify which account you're aiming to access. It's straightforward, just type in your full email address in the provided field. After that, you'll see a Next button, click it to proceed. This is Ionos' way of segmenting the login process, making it more secure and user-friendly. Subsequently, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is a standard security measure. To verify that the request for a password change is being made by the rightful owner of the account, input your password carefully and hit Next again to move forward in the process. Now, this brings us to the email dashboard. Look for the gear icon situated typically in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your account and email settings. Among these options, you'll want to select All Settings, which opens up the comprehensive settings menu for your account. In the settings menu, you should find an option labeled Change Password. It's usually straightforward to locate, but if you're ever unsure, remember that it's always under some security or account management section. Once found, click on Change Password to initiate the actual process of changing your password. Next up, you're required to enter your old password one more time. This further ensures that the request to change the password is legitimate. Type it into the designated field and make sure it's accurate to avoid any errors. After confirming your old password, you'll then be able to set a new password. When creating a new password, aim for something strong and unique. A good practice is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance the security of your account. After deciding on a new password, type it into the New Password field. Finally, the last step is to confirm your new password by clicking on the Change Password button. This action finalizes the change and secures your account with the new password you've just created. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Ionos email password. Just a couple of tips before we wrap up. Remember to update your password in any email clients or apps where your Ionos email is synced. This ensures you don't run into any login issues afterward, and it's a good idea to log out and log back in with your new password at least once to ensure everything is working as expected. Changing your email password is a crucial part of maintaining your online security. By following these steps and making password changes a regular part of your digital hygiene, you're taking a significant step towards protecting your personal information and email content. If you ever forget your password or run into any issues during this process, remember that Ionos has a support team ready to assist you. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Feel free to bookmark this video for future reference, and stay tuned for more helpful guides on managing your digital life safely and effectively.